Welcome to Africa. Did you know that Africa is home to the world's largest desert, the Sahara? It spans across 11 countries and covers an area of approximately 3.6 million square miles. That is a lot of sand. But here's a question for you. Which African country is known as the Rainbow Nation due to its diverse cultures and languages? Stick around to find out as we enjoy the motherland Africa. To start off, Africa is the second largest continent in the world, covering over 30 million square kilometers. It stretches from the Mediterranean Sea in the north to the Cape of Good Hope in the south. The continent boasts a wide range of climates, from arid deserts like the Sahara and Kalahari to lush rainforests in Central Africa. With a population exceeding 1.3 billion people, Africa is incredibly diverse, comprising over 3,000 ethnic groups. Africa's history is rich and complex, dating back millions of years with early human ancestors like Australopithecus afarensis. Ancient civilizations such as Egypt, Carthage, a city in Tunisia, and Mali has left an indelible mark on world history that will always be here till the end of time. The continent has also experienced significant historical events, including colonization and subsequent independence movements throughout the 20th century. Africa is linguistically diverse with over 2,000 languages spoken across its nations. Arabic, Swahili, Hausa, Amharic, Yoruba, and Zulu are among some of the most widely spoken languages. Many countries also recognize colonial languages such as English, French, Portuguese, and Spanish as official languages. Religion plays a vital role in African societies. Islam and Christianity is predominant across many regions. However, traditional African religions remain influential. These indigenous beliefs often emphasize community rituals and ancestral worship. Living in Africa offers unique experiences. The vibrant cultures and breathtaking landscapes are definite pros, plus the business opportunities. Africa is often described as a continent with immense potential for growth and innovation. However, challenges such as economic disparities and infrastructure development can pose cons for residents. Africa's architecture reflects its diverse heritage, from ancient pyramids in Egypt to modern skyscrapers in Johannesburg. Landmarks like Victoria Falls and Mount Kilimanjaro attracts tourists worldwide. Mount Kilimanjaro stands as a remarkable natural wonder with significant geological history, rich biodiversity, cultural heritage, and environmental challenges that underscore its importance both locally and globally. Now the answer to the question from the beginning. So which country in Africa is known as the Rainbow Nation? The answer is South Africa. It earns this nickname due to its multicultural society encompassing various ethnicities and 11 official languages. Now that makes for an interesting variety of people to see and learn from. African art ranges from traditional masks and sculptures to contemporary paintings reflecting social themes. Heritage sites like Timbuktu highlight Africa's historical contributions to global knowledge. And I'm sure this expands further than what we can grasp here. Let's move on. Music forms an integral part of African culture. Genres like Afrobeat from Nigeria or Guam from South Africa showcases rhythmic diversity using instruments such as drums and the stringed koras. African cuisine varies by region. West African cuisine is known for its rich and diverse flavors, often characterized by the use of spices, herbs, and a variety of ingredients such as grains, legumes, and vegetables. North African cuisine includes a variety of meats, seafood, grains, notably couscous, legumes, fruits, like dates and figs, and vegetables. East African cuisine varies widely from country to country, but often includes staples like maize and sorghum. In Ethiopia, injera, a sourdough flatbread, is a central part of meals served with various stews called wats. Doro wat, meaning spicy chicken stew, is a signature dish that showcases the bold flavors typical of Ethiopian cooking. In South Africa, pap and vleis or shisanyama, barbecued meat served with maize porridge, is a beloved tradition that highlights the country's love for grilled meats paired with spicy relishes like chakalaka. And finally, Central African cuisine often features starchy foods like cassava and plantains, alongside rich sauces made from peanuts or palm oil. Each region's cuisine has its own unique appeal based on local ingredients and traditional cooking methods passed down through generations. African festivals celebrate everything from harvests to religious events. Carnival in Seychelles or Timkat in Ethiopia brings communities together through music, dance, and costumes. African traditions encompass a wide array of festivals that reflect the continent's rich cultural heritage, all contributing to a deeper understanding of community values across the continent. If you're wondering what you could do for fun if you were to visit Africa, we've got the answer right here, right now. Daytime activities range from wildlife safaris, exploring national parks, beautiful beach relaxation, cultural village experiences, hiking and trekking, and more. The nightlife offers vibrant nightclubs and bars featuring live music performances, catering to both locals and tourists alike. Here's some fun fact about Africa. Did you know Madagascar hosts over 70% of species found nowhere else? Africa has the largest number of megafauna species on Earth, including elephants, rhinos, hippos, and giraffes. The African lion is known as the king of the jungle and primarily resides in savannas across various countries. And Lake Victoria is the largest tropical lake globally. Lake Victoria is not only the largest lake in Africa by area, 26,600 square miles, but also ranks as the second largest freshwater lake globally. From its stunning landscapes, rich history, and diverse cultures, there's so much more to discover about the incredible continent of Africa. Whether you're planning a visit or simply curious, learning more about what makes each country unique will surely enrich your understanding and appreciation for our world's diversity. And Africa alone has 54 different countries each, with its own distinct cultures and languages. That might keep you coming back for more to explore. So that's it. If you enjoyed this journey through African culture, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into world cultures, sometimes some travel tips and adventures. More awaits you in the next video. Thanks for watching.